Check out these beautiful all glass watering bulbs for your plants. This is a set of 6 that I have picked up for our house. My wife likes to kill plants. I mean, adopt plants and forget to water them. And so we're going to use this to help her process a little bit so that we maybe won't lose quite as many plants. But the way these are designed is pretty simple. It's a pretty elegant solution for watering. Each of these can hold, obviously, a ton of fluid inside of here. You're just dribbling the fluid from the faucet into here. Then they have these snap-on caps that you put on the bottom to control the amount of moisture coming, to control the level of water coming out. This big hole obviously would all spill out instantly and be too much, but this helps just drip a little bit of it at a time. And then you just insert this into the moist soil of your plant. Now, one of the keys I read on this is you don't want to like drop it straight 90 degrees in, that you want it kind of like an angle of 75 to 80 degrees. So not straight upright, but not like laying sideways on the ground. 75 to 80 degrees on here, just to give it a nice, easy, gentle slope. And so if you are looking for just a great way to help keep your plants fresh, hydrated, watered, that you don't have to water it every day, that you can kind of just give it a little bit of water in here and just let it go for a while, check these out. They are so beautiful. They look so good, simple and easy to use, and I think you're gonna love them.